Wait. Okay.
Thank you, Mommy, because you made me a picture, please.
Did you like the picture?
Yes.
We're going to put it in your bedroom. And do you want to do something for Michelle's mummy?
Yes.
What?
She will very like to do was great.
You want to do what?
The big thing.
Crayons?
Yeah.
You want to do a crayon picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can like that.
She would like it. Okay, we'll do that and send it to her.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
I want to send also a picture for her.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay. So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.